Hi friends, Holige or Obbattu is a special sweet dish that can be prepared in varieties of ways. Today I am going to show you the recipe for Holige using chana dal and jaggery. To prepare Holige, I am using 2 cups of chana dal which I have cleaned for about 3 times in water and then cooked it in cooker by adding 2 glasses of water, half teaspoon salt for about 7 whistles. When this is cooking, let's prepare the dough, for which I am mixing 1 tablespoon of oil, 1½ cup of maida, quarter teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons sugar and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then preparing a dough by adding water little at a time. This needs to be softer than the chapati dough. Once the dough is ready, I am adding about 2 tablespoons of oil and mixing again. The dough is nicely coated with oil. Let this rest for about half an hour. Meanwhile, the chana dal is cooked. To this I am adding about 2 cups of jaggery and mixing while cooking on medium flame. Jaggery has melted. Let's cook this until it boils and starts thickening. Now that the jaggery has thickened, let this cool off a little bit and then we will prepare a fine paste by grinding little portion at a time in a mixer. The filling is ready. Let's prepare the small balls from this. From the dough I have taken small ball sized portion and by spreading it with hands, place the filling ball and completely covered it up with the dough. Later, by using maida to dust off the surface, I have rolled out the holige. If you are going to roll out the complete dough before starting to fry, then it is possible that the holiges might stick to each other. So in order to prevent that, ensure to use a little bit of maida for dusting in between the holiges. For frying, once the pan is hot, I have added the holige. The bubbles have started forming, so let's flip this over. I am cooking this in a medium flame. The holige is cooked on both the ends, so let's remove this off. The tasty holige is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the New Home Kitchen. Bye!